Hello students, good evening students. Dear students, welcome in computer class. Today we are moving to the third chapter, that is Scratch part 2. Earlier we have done the chapter second, Scratch part 1. So here students, today I'm showing you through practically, that is the how to write a script using motion block. Today we are discussing here then how to write a script using motion block. So dear students, watch here how I just use the motion block. Dear students, this is Scratch software. I open here. Scratch window is just loading here. Now, dear students, as have you seen this? This is a Scratch window, and this character that is called the sprite. Earlier in the previous video, I have that I shared with you. Okay, this is the sprite. Okay, this character is called the sprite. This cat is sprite. Okay, so here, if we want to change the sprites, this is the default sprite. Okay, this is the default sprite. If you want to, and this is the stage area. Okay, this is the stage area, and this is the default sprite. But if we want to change this sprite, then we have an option. So here I click on this backdrops. Then I'm clicking here. Then dear students, as you have seen here, there are many character or many sprites are there. Any one that you want, you can choose any sprite from this list. Okay, this is a default sprite, that is a cat. This is a butterfly, butterfly 1, butterfly 2. As you whatever you want, that is a suppose flying kite here. This is the flying kite. So here suppose I'm taking this this convertible 2. Okay, here I'm taking this convertible 2. So now this convertible 2 is just this sprite is just appear here. Now if I want to delete this earlier sprite, then here I'm right click here, right click on this sprite. Okay, here I'm right click, then delete option is there. Now the earlier sprite that is deleted from this area. Okay, so here students, first option, that is the code first option, that is motion. So today we are doing the motion. I'm showing you through practically what is the function of the motion. So here I'm take this, I just here take this, then move 10 steps. Now again turn 15. I just place this. Automatically it will be adjusted. Dear students, it is automatically adjusted itself. Okay, you just leave this. Okay, then after that here I'm turn 15-degree, then go to random position here. Then suppose I'm taking this point in direction. I'm taking this one. These are the motion control buttons. Point in direction. Then suppose if on edge bounce, I'm taking this one. Set rotation left, X position, Y position, then this position. Okay, now I'm just moving this, and the position is now showing to you key. Then X position, Y position, and convertible to this is the here. Now you have just, when we just move this sprite, then automatically the position of this that is changed. Okay, suppose I'm not clicking this direction, now it is removed from here. Now students, one by one we are doing here. Move 10 points. Suppose I'm clicking here, I'm writing here 20. Now I'm clicking here, that is 20. Then I'm clicking here, that is suppose I'm writing here 40. Then go to random position. Okay, then point direction, suppose I'm writing here that is 70. No problem. Then here point direction, that is I'm writing 45. Now left and right, all around. Okay, it rotate, the meaning of this, it rotate all around, not left, not right, optional left, right, don't rotate or all around. So now the meaning of this, dear students, the meaning of this motion block means we have this sprite, by which way, how we rotate this sprite, how we rotate this sprite, how we move this sprite. These are the functions that is related to movement of the sprite. Okay, so move 20 steps, then after that turn 20°, then again turn, that is 40°, go to random position. Random is accordingly, not our own choice, but accordingly randomly, that is just move to any position. Point in direction 70, then point in direction 45°. If on edge, if it is on edge, means if this sprite just moving on the edge of the window, then it is just bounce. Set rotation style all around. Now, one by one, I am clicking here and you watch the output. What is the movement here? This one, you watch. Now, this is the movement, 20 step, it is moved, turn 20° again. So now you watch, turn 40° again. So now you watch, go to random position. So randomly it is moved anywhere. Point direction 70 is the 70°. Point direction 45. Now it is 45°. If on edge bounce, okay, then set the rotation style all around. All around means now it is moved anywhere, left, right, or anywhere. Okay, so dear students, by this way we can just move our own sprite that we have created. Okay, next options are first, that is the button here, motion. Next are looks, sound, event, control, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks. So rest of the, when we meet by next week, then we are doing the looks and sound. At the time we are doing both two, looks and sound. Rest of the two buttons, these movement buttons, these motion buttons, these are the motions control buttons, and looks and sound we just do the practical by next week. So for today, that's all. And dear students, by this way you practice this scratch by yourself at your home. Okay, then if you have any query, then you can leave me the message in the WhatsApp. So for today, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.